Hey, I'm Sarah with Great Day Improvements. Think your home is energy efficient? Well, most homeowners miss at least one major issue, and it's costing them. So today we're going to break down what actually makes your home energy efficient and how to spot hidden problems before they drain your wallet. First thing to do is check your insulation because many homes lose energy through their walls or attic space. And some rooms may even feel warmer or cooler than others, even if the thermostat is set evenly. It could be due to insulation or window efficiency or even uneven airflow from your HVAC system. A few adjustments with the help of a home expert can make a big difference in comfort. Next thing to do is seal your doors and windows because they might be small, but drafts add up quickly. And in the wintertime, the only draft you should feel is if you open a door or window. If you walk into a room, or worse yet, from across the room feel a draft, then there's likely an issue and it just might be time for your windows or door to be replaced. The next thing you want to look at is your appliances in your HVAC system because older appliances equal lower performance. So if your appliances or that HVAC system is older than 10 to 15 years old, they could be running up your energy costs, and upgrading those could save you money and a lot of comfort. You also want to look at lighting swaps. LED swaps are a small upgrade with really big payoffs. Swapping out those old light bulbs for LED. It might seem like a small change, but it can have a big impact because LEDs use up to 80% less energy. They last a lot longer. They'll help your electric bill over time with very little effort. Last but not least, smart behaviors. They can really save you. And what am I talking about when I say that? Curtain usage, routines matter, thermostat settings. Small everyday habits can make a big difference. Using your thermostat wisely, opening or closing curtains based on the season, and keeping a consistent routine to help your home run more efficiently can save you money without much effort. Overall, making your home more energy efficient doesn't have to be complicated. Small things can make a really big difference. And Great Day Improvements is here to help every step of the way. Subscribe now for more information and check out the blog below for a full list of ways to make your home more energy efficient.